Welcome to qnawire.
Here in this problem, we have to find the final temperature of the mixture, and the mass of water is given as 0.250 kg, and the initial temperature is T initial as 20 degrees Celsius. This is for water. T initial for water. And the mass of aluminium is given as 0.40 kg, and its initial temperature for aluminium is given as 26 degrees Celsius. And finally, the mass of copper is given as 0.10 kg, and its initial temperature for copper is given as 100 degrees Celsius. Now we have given that it is given that the system is thermally isolated. That means we can say that the heat of water plus the heat of aluminium plus the heat of copper will be equals to 0. So the formula for heat, that is Q, is equals to mc delta T. So if we calculate for water, mass is given as 0.250. So 0.250 times C is the specific heat for water, and which is 4. Let me write the units also. It's kg here. So times C here is specific heat for water. So water specific heat is 4186 joule per kg degree Celsius times delta T, that means final temperature minus the initial temperature. So T final we have to calculate, and the initial temperature for water is 20 degrees Celsius, plus similarly the heat for aluminium is mc delta T, but here we have to include the mass of aluminium. So mass of aluminium is 0.40 kg times its C specific heat for aluminium is 900 joule per kg degree Celsius times delta T, that means T final minus initial temperature for aluminium was 26 degrees Celsius, plus now we have to calculate for copper. So its mass is 0.1 kg times its specific heat is 387 joule per kg degree Celsius times delta T, means T final minus T initial for copper was 100 degrees Celsius. So it will be equals to 0. Now we're going to simplify. So we'll get 1046.5 T final minus 20930 degrees Celsius plus 360 T final minus 9360 degrees Celsius plus 38.7 T final minus 3870 degrees Celsius is equals to 0. From here we get the value of T final as 34160 degrees Celsius divided by 1445.2, and which will be equals to 23.6 degrees Celsius. So finally we can conclude that the final temperature of the mixture is 23.6 degrees Celsius. So I hope you got the problem. Thank you.